Good evening to all of you. And in this particular presentation, I am going to release the trend report for the Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming week. So that report you can download from here, or you can visit to our download link of our website where we have given this download market report section. So from here also you can able to download. Many interesting things you can find out in this download button. You can download our free course Android app wherein you can learn many futures and option techniques, WD GAN's principles, advanced technical analysis. You can also download some of our free Android apps which can help you in your decision process like GAN square of 9, square of 12 tool, pivot Camarilla. Many things are given, and this is the report we used to release every week. And for the coming week, I am going to release the report. Last week was not a favorable week. We have given those report on 13th. Though Nifty has entered to the range bound territory, it has given 464 breakout, could not able to break this 429 level, 430 level it has come. From there it has reversed, and you can say today's price, if you can see, 10,595 it has touched. So you can say first and second target, just 4 to 5 points from the second target it has missed. However, one stop loss triggering was there, and post which it has given you this particular range. I have also given a table here. If it moves to different levels, how much profitability you will get. So this is just a projection. So the option has come down to 500 put option, 22 rupees it has come down today, when Nifty has come to 10,595. So first it has given a downtrend, it has a failed, then it has given an uptrend and achieved some success. Moving back to the Bank Nifty. So today, if you can see, it has given a similar kind of action. It has 25,457. It could not able to cross 445 level. From there, it has reversed. And today's price, you can see, it has come down to 24,864. So 864, 24,864. Today is the final day. It has come here to this second level of target. It has achieved. Since there is a stop loss triggering action and consolidation for 2 or 3 days, so this particular week I am not considering as a successful week. So out of 128th week, I am not considering as a successful week. And moving to the 129th week here, what we are expecting from the Bank Nifty and the Nifty. So Nifty, it has closed at 10,594. We want to derive the price range from the 1 standard deviation formula. I am taking the real-time volatility, which is 8.43%. So square root of number of days, 7. And based on this, I am getting the price range as 124. And this is telling me if it is going above 10,625, then I will be buying the Nifty along with the put option. So I am recommending 650 put option. With that, currently it is at 80 rupees range. So you can get it at 65 to 60 range on the if the uptrend breakout gives. So currently it is at 80. You can get it at 60 to 65 range if the uptrend breakout gives. And once it moves to different targets, your first target 10,672. Once it moves there, that options expected price will be 49. Slightly below also you can get. However, net profit you can get around 2,300. On the second target, your net profit after factoring these losses in the option, it will be 3,300, and so on. So different target points. What will be the net profit after deducting these losses? It is being given. So this is just an estimation, and this estimation is being done based on today's IV calculation of this particular option. And Monday you may get this option in lesser price. So this is 65 what I have given. You may get this option slightly lesser price, so your profit and loss will be slightly, it will be differing. However, for estimation sake, we have kept these things. Same way, if the Nifty gives you a downtrend breakout on Monday 10,566 below, then you can sell Nifty along with the 10,550 call option, which you can get around 71 to 60 range. So currently it is at 80 range, so 80 or 90 range. So you can say that time you can get it at 71 to 60. This is the range. And if it is achieving the first target, your net profit will be around 1,600, and call option will be quoting at 45. If you are achieving the second target, your net profit will be 2,500. If it is achieving the third target, 3,000 plus you can get. So this is just on estimation, as I told you. On Monday, the IV situation of these options will be different, and you will be getting these options at a different price. So that price will impact the profitability to a certain extent. Since options, we are just projecting what will be the probable option price on Monday, but that may not, based on the current IV of that option, we are projecting it, and it may not be same on Monday. So this is the projection is being given just to inform you, even though if you hedge it, post hedging factor, your net profit, estimated net profit will be this much. However, keep in mind this profit estimation what is being given here, in real situation it will be 200 to 300 rupees more. I have just given in terms of most conservative approach, your profitability scenario will be more, and these options what I have given here, expected prices, this option whenever you are going to hedge, you will be getting these particular options in lower than these expected prices. So your estimated profits will be definitely higher as compared to the profits given in this particular table. So coming to the Bank Nifty, for coming week, we are expecting the Bank Nifty, if it is crossing 25,225, it will be uptrend. If it is falling below 24,876, then it will be downtrend. If the uptrend breakout gives, then it has all probability to touch 24,300, 410 and 457. You can hedge it with the 25,200 put option. If you are buying, if you are selling at 24,876, you can hedge it with 24,900 call option. So here the 0.382 level I am giving, because this is the base value is too huge, 25,000. For that only, to avoid the triggerings, stop loss triggering actions, I have just given this 0.382. As per Fibonacci principle, once the 0.382 crossover happens, then it is known as the trend confirmation, and trend set point is 0.236. So for safer side, if it crosses 0.382, we can enter the trade. And on the stop loss side of the Nifty, I have not shown this. If the Nifty after you purchase it hits the stop loss, then your options will be at 105 and your net loss will be 2,700. After selling the Nifty, if it hits the stop loss of 10,643, then also you will be having a loss of 1,600. So this losses, the acceptable losses, once this trend changes and comes to this Suppose you bought at 10,625, it has come down to 10,548. Here you have to book the loss and reverse your trade. Your reversing trade means you have to sell the Nifty future and buy a call option. So same logic you have to follow for the Bank Nifty here. So this is the weekly report based on the first cycle. So if you have any query associated with this particular report, you can send us the email. You can forward this particular report to your friends. Encourage them to follow some definite method of trend forecasting. However, this same value you will get in our paid software, one standard deviation paid software. However, slight differences will be there because of round off factor and all, but almost same values you will get there. And you will also get two more cycles to trade, and the second and third cycle, why it is important, that I am going to tell you. Suppose if you are going for Nifty 7 days, so that report what I have shown you, that is the first cycle report. Only the first cycle report I have shown you. This is the report of the first cycle. However, if you are going with the software, what is the benefit? So here you can just see the first cycle and 395, here too you can say 795. So you can compare this first cycle, whatever I have shown in that report, it is presented in this particular first cycle. Suppose on Monday Nifty opens gap up above 10,650 or opens gap down below 10,530. Then in this case you cannot able to enter the trade in the first cycle. So you have to look into the second cycle. Second cycle, where is the buy entry? 10,722. If there is a gap up, you have to wait for the second cycle to happen. And the stop loss for that also will change, 10,682. And hedging component also will change, maybe 10,750 put option you can take. Same way, if there is a gap down, you have to wait for the second cycle to break. Then only you can enter. So 10,469 you can sell. Stop losses also will change, and your hedging component also will change. 10,450 call option you need to take. So if you have the software, you can get the second and third cycle values, and based on that you can initiate the trade. Similar way, this software has many other features, like it has a stock scanner, it has an option scanner, it has some option intraday trading tool also. So option scanner is a great tool which can guide you for many other decision process, like if you want a call option to buy in the weekly basis. So if you can just analyze here, it is just suggesting two strikes of options best suitable for the weekly basis. Currently they are trading at 23 rupees, and once it comes to 32 rupees you can buy. Keep a stop loss 16 rupees 60 paisa, and your targets will be 38, 43, 49 and so on. So these targets will be hitting once this underlying asset moves in this order. So this is to buy the best call options in the uptrend. What is the best call option you can sell in the downtrend? This too also gives you two strikes. So filtering the strikes, which is the best strike option I should buy or sell in weekly basis if there is a uptrend breakout or a downtrend breakout. This filtering job is being simplified by using this option scanner. Then you have a stock scanner, which for intraday basis, if you are just loading, will come to know how many stocks are given the uptrend breakout, how many stocks have given the downtrend breakout, how many stocks have given a gap up opening, and how many have given the gap down opening. So once you filter this, you can get those stocks which are given a uptrend breakout, downtrend breakout and all. So these are the so once Once you can choose all those, any one of your targets. So here that Apollo Hospitals uptrend breakout and downtrend breakout, those targets has come. So these are the benefits you can get in this particular software. And this is a highly efficient tool. Once you know the stock names, you can just populate the same thing here and you can try using the 1ST levels. So these are the benefits of a software and many different courses we have. If you are interested to learn and educate yourself, then we have various courses available in the Indian market context. You can buy any of these courses and learn, or if you want to possess all of our courses and softwares, we give a good discount at 17,500 plus 990 GST. You can own all our products. Follow us in the Facebook or Twitter so that whenever we post anything, you will come to know. And if you are viewing this video in the YouTube, try to subscribe this channel so that whenever any video is being uploaded, you will be informed about that. Whenever we are giving any option strategy or any kind of video, you will be informed about that. If you like this particular video, it has a good analysis, then try to share it with your friends. In one click of mouse, you can able to share with your friends. Invite them to join this thing. You put your queries if you have anything in the comment section. So you can put your queries if you have anything in the comment section so that I'll be attending to your queries. If you like this video, give a like or dislike in this particular video. So by this process, you can engage yourself with the video. By this process of subscribing to this particular channel, whenever we upload any video, you'll be getting informed about that. And many other ways you can able to associate with us. You can simply register in our website also. By this process also, you can able to be associate with us so that we can send you an email reminder whenever we release any report. So this will benefit you to be a rational trader. Our mission to make you a rational trader, a trader who assesses its risk, trader does a good money management is successful in the market. The trader who does a good money management is successful in this market. So if you agree with this idea that yes, I need to do a money management, I need to hedge my trade, I need to take a calculated risk, then do follow this report. Simply by doing the money management also you won't be successful if your trend analysis method itself is wrong or trend analysis method gives you inferior result. So follow this particular calculation in this particular expiry week and give your feedback. Thank you very much.